Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at 3D Secure Authentication. This is an additional security layer requested for some transactions placed through your Flipdish online ordering system. 3D Secure, also known as Payer Authentication, is a security protocol that helps to prevent fraud in online credit and debit card transactions. This additional security was initiated and created by Visa and MasterCard, and it's branded as Verified by Visa and MasterCard Secure Code, respectively. There are quite a few benefits to using 3D Secure, such as there's no extra cost. There is also no extra effort, as this is automated within the Flipdish online ordering system. Also, more payments will be accepted, fewer payments will be rejected, and the already low level of disputed payments will be even lower. However, there are some limitations to using this, as chargebacks can still occur. Fully authenticated 3D Secure transactions are not a guarantee of liability shift. This is decided on the discretion of the merchant bank. Also, not all cards are part of the scheme. At the moment, there are no similar initiatives for JCB or Diners Club cards. Something to bear in mind is that 3D Secure won't affect all your customers, but just the customers who reach the preset spend threshold of €50, dollars, or pounds. Some customers with smaller amounts will be completely unaffected if you choose to activate this functionality. Now let's take a look at what this flow would look like for your customers and how easy it is for them to navigate. I'm going to use one of our test stores to make an order and select a card that I've used before to make a payment. As 3D Secure is controlled by Visa and MasterCard, the following cards can be used: Visa, Visa Delta, MasterCard, MasterCard Debit, International Maestro, UK Maestro, Laser, and Visa Electron. So as you can see, I've been briefly redirected to a 3D Secure page. Each bank's display will be slightly different, but the overall functionality is the same. As you can see on screen, the system is asking me to select a mobile number to send a one-time passcode to. And once I've done that and click to continue, my phone will receive a text message with the code. I can simply enter that code and click pay, and I will be immediately redirected to your store's order confirmation page. And that's it. It's simple and quick for your customers and an added level of security against fraud for your business. If you decide you want to activate 3D Secure for your customers, you can contact help@flipdish.com. Thank you for watching.